Well, hello there and welcome to another video. This is Maltese Phil. I'm here in Valletta. It's the 28th of August. It's just after 9:30 AM. This is the Triton Fountains. Many years ago, Malta used to have a railway. Valletta's railway station was just down there, and the train came out from that tunnel, across the bridge, and into Floriana. And as we walk into Valletta, you start to see the bombed out theatre. Valletta is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, so they built this for the Parliament. Don't know what your thoughts are on it, but mine, somebody made a few quid off it, didn't they? And so this is the top of Republic Street in Valletta, which is the main street that goes through the city. So this is John de Valette, who is, who this place is named after. And this magnificent building is a Castilla. So welcome to Piazza Castilla. Over here we have Manuel de Mec, Don Mintoff, and a curly turd.